Okay guys, welcome to 15-minute candle range video that you guys are asking about for a long time. So this is the video. As spoken into the 5 a.m. model, we do have to wait for a 15-minute candle range, right? And if you don't see the 5 a.m. model video, highly suggest you go and see and rewatch the 5 a.m. video because it's the model that we use almost every day to print some money, right? And I highly suggest you go and rewatch it, right? But I expect you, as watching this, already watched that video, and then I can pass through the point of we talk about the 15-minute candle range, right? Because in the 5 a.m. model, we got, let me take this, we got our time range, right? That's the 5 a.m. candle, right? And then we have the turtle soup of the key level, right? Which is this key level is the 5 a.m. range, so has a purpose to be this 5 a.m., right? So we have the key level, and after the key level, we have the 15-minute CRT, right? Or candle range, okay? 15-minute candle range. And a lot of you guys are not understanding, okay, why you have to wait and which candle to pick. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why you have to wait for a 15-minute candle range and what candle range you need to pick, right? So first thing, I want to explain some price anatomy, okay? So this is a candle. Imagine this is a candle, okay? Every candle is the same. We have the open, and then we have some high. What the fuck? Sorry about that. Have some high and low and close, okay? So this is the candle anatomy, right? So in every candle, we you have price in that candle. So the price is fractal, okay? We have to deal with that. So imagine every candle, even the 1 minute, even the 1 second chart, okay? You have a fractal model in that candle, okay? And what we do looking at one specific candle, okay? Like I'm gonna pick a random candle right here, okay? This candle, you're gonna see a range, okay? This is a 4-hour chart, but whatever the time it is, you're going to see there is a range in that candle. You see this, okay? You have a range inside that candle, right? You have the market doing this. So you have the open, and you have the high, and you have the close, okay? It's basic. This is the price anatomy, okay? So you have your candle, right? And as we are looking the 5 a.m. key level, okay? Let's suppose our 5 a.m. key level it's right here, okay? Here we have the key 5 a.m. key level, right? What we want to see in the 15-minute candle range, it's a little high or low that we can turtle soup within the key level, right? So it doesn't matter if this candle it's below or it's above our, our key level or 5 a.m. range, right? As long as this candle, this 15-minute candle, it's a valid range, okay? Why? Because we need to turtle soup the key level, and we need to turtle soup our old range as well, old low or old high. So what are we gonna do? I'm gonna show you exactly in the practical way. Okay, so let's dive into Friday because today we have no trades. So let's take our 5 a.m. Friday. It's right here. So 5 a.m. candle. Okay, I'm gonna let purple the 5 a.m. range for no confusion. And let me get red because we do have a important key level right here. Okay, so this is our key level, right? Right. So we have the range, 5 a.m. range, okay, have the key level, okay, the external key level. But in this case, we don't have to use it as much in the other case scenarios because we already using this key level. So I'm gonna left this aside here for no confusion, right? But it's a plus confirmation this key level, right? So most likely the market will continue to go up until reach this key level here and turtle soup right here, okay? But it's for another lesson, okay? So we have our 5 a.m. key level, 5 a.m. range, 5 a.m. candle, whatever you want to call it, okay? And according what I said, you go to the 15-minute and find your candle range, right? And you're gonna mark your 15-minute CRT. And a lot of guys are confusing about 15-minute CRT, like is this one, is this one, is this one, is this one? What candle I mark, okay? But I really need you guys to take a close look what I'm saying, right? So we have close, we are nearby our 5 a.m. key level, 5 a.m. range low here, okay? So at this point forward, you should be like your alarms turn on, okay? Because the manipulation will happen, but you don't want to take the first manipulation because probably the first manipulation it's going to be a fake manipulation. It's going to be other manipulation after the first one, okay? So you want to wait for the first manipulation, then take the second. This is the most right one, okay? So I'm gonna mark down this candle who ticked the liquidity right here, right? This candle who stabbed the liquidity for you guys to see, right? This 15-minute candle right here. Because I want to show you, if you go drop and go to 1 minute, what you going to see in this candle, okay? Like here, in the previous candle, you have nothing, okay? You just fluxing down, right? But here, what you do have here, you have a low. Oh shit, you have a low right here, okay? It's not hard to see. So this is your valid 15-minute candle range because you purge the key level, right? And after purge, you have this range, okay? You see, you have a range in the key level, and the manipulation will occur after this range and after hitting a key level, right? It's clear right now. So you don't have a specific candle, like your range can be something like this right here, okay? You're going to here, and then your range is here, okay? And you have the old low here, and then market will manipulate this range within the key level, right? So here it's your entry right here, okay? This is your 15-minute key level, 15-minute candle range, sorry, okay? S is this your 15-minute candle range because this 15-minute candle makes a range low, creates an old low right here. And how can I tell you is a valid low or valid high? Simply because you created a low here, and then you took a high. So this low becomes an external liquidity. This is what you're looking for, a sweep of external liquidity low, okay? Of course, in a lower time frame, right? So this is a valid range because creates a low, then took a high, and this become external low. And after that, the price comes, sweep this external low, and then you have your entry, right? You have your entry right here, okay? This inverse fair value gap. Let me change this color to this, it's fine. And then you long from here, right? Stop below. And your target, you guys already know what your target is, right? First take profit in the middle, right here, 3.6 R, right? And your second TP is the full TP right here, 7.0, right? So this is it, guys. You have to understand the anatomics of the price and how a candle is formed, because you need to see a range inside the candle. If you only see a candle, right, because it happens sometimes, like the candle, let me take this off, and the candle just simply, erase this, okay, for I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Like if the time coincidence, okay, and the candle simply just terminating here, okay, so this is a candle, let me mark as like a range, okay, 15-minute range, and the 15-minute just ended up here, okay, you have no low at all here. If you just purge, okay, this low right here, you're not purging nothing, okay, you're purging nothing, you just purge a random candle that coincidence with the time that candle has formed, okay. You have to purge something, you have to purge an old low. So if your 15-minute candle has an old low or an old high inside that candle, it's the valid candle, okay. If does not have an old low or an old high, like this one is just a time coincidence, the candle, it's not a valid candle, okay. So I hope you guys have understand this, because a lot of you asking me, oh, what candle I pick, what candle is the right candle, is this, is the range inside of the candle, you have to see like with a microscope whatsoever, okay. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I really hope you guys are subscribed to this channel and drop the like, because it's very minimal, right? So see you guys in the next video. Stay well.